شباب شلونكم؟ شو اخباركم؟ اليوم راح نلعب طوبه قسم النجوم النهائي. شباب لا تنسوا اللايك والاشتراك بالقناة وتفعيل جرس الاشعارات. يلا خلينا نبدأ. استوى صوتي ناصي لان اهلي نايمين.
Here we have it. The division's best are up for it today and hoping to show this dream team what they're made of. Sit back and relax. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. Finds his teammate. Now Henderson. Confident pass. Well cut out. Striker's ball.
شباب ترى ثوث
The ball played back.
في اليوتيوب. أستاذ عندي صفحة قديمة.
And that will be the goalkeeper's ball then.
والله ما أتذكر.
They've won it back.
بس
Great skill from this player.
لا تقصونا يا
Passed well.
لا زحمة ولايك واشتراك بالقناة وتفعيل جرس.
Long shot. Oh, great save. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Whipped in. Cleared upfield. And the team swap possession again. Great technique. Laid wide. Headed out. Now Henderson. Good distribution. Nice play. Lovely passing here. Good ball. Finds his teammate. The referee has pointed to the spot. It's a penalty. Will the pressure get to him? And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? That's nicely played. Confident pass. They have the ball again. They're appealing, but he's onside. Good save. Shoots, and that is a fantastic goal. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Oh, and dispossessed there. Passed well. A missed challenge there. This player is taking on the opposition. Finds his teammate. And they get it away. It's half-time and a chance. Yeah! Let's get underway then with the second half.
I love it. I want to.
Pass down the wings. It's with the striker. Passed inside. Can he finish it? That's well off target. They'll have to take their chances. This isn't good enough. Kicked outfield. Oh, well intercepted. And with the defender now. He slid for the ball, but missed. Good, clean challenge. Now Henderson. Oh, confident defending. That's nicely played. He's got it back inside. He could be punished for that mistake. Playing the ball down the flanks. Oh, defending. Good ball. Confident pass. That's good link-up play. He failed to connect with that tackle. Keeper collects that one. They've won the ball back again. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. This player's really shown leadership today. Time for some fresh legs, maybe. The players are warming up.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
He's onside here. Oh, it's a clear chance. Well, they've got a chance just to regroup now. Good distribution.
Hello.
Here's Schöner.
Hello.
And that clearance will lift the pressure. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Oh, he shoots. And this is a world-class finish. Well, let's take another look at that. The border's gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. It's 2-0 now. Good ball. This team of stars were powerless to stop them. What a win!
وإلى يا شباب تنتهي حلقتنا اليوم ومع السلامة.